First day, nakulba siya ko. Mura ka mong na, nakulba ko na. Kasi wala nakulba din eh. Gahiwan, malawi. Kulba kayo siya guys because disorder ko dito, wala ko yung alamat. Naging ko sa ako. We were assigned to facilitate and group activity. I didn't know anything about the topic because it was yesterday that day. A student asked me, Sir, saan ako mag-answer eh? Ikaw ang galang taon ko kay dapat kumang ka, balong dyan ka na galang taon na muhalak. Kung kubalo eh. Saan mo na ako eh? Pero, he grabbed his notebook and I searched sa internet kung paano. Tapos nagparang ako, nabaway na ako. But it was embarrassing ako yung na-realize na we should always be ready. Isa pa experience na our teacher tasked us to provide an example for the lesson our resource teacher ako. And I gave an example, they answered it. The answer ko kinasa ito pa nga mag-answer. Nasayop ko, nasayop ko mag-answer because kaya na-pressure kayo. It was kanang mag-atubang as mga estudyante na wala pa kasugkan nakatubang estudyante. Maka-pressure ko kaya siya. Nasayop ko, the students laughed at me and I was so embarrassed because an aspiring teacher ako. I was so embarrassed. Next day, observed me. I prepared myself because I didn't want to be embarrassed again by the students. I proved myself that besides the mistakes that I made, I can learn from my mistakes. Second, akong ma-share sa inyo karon is aside from the way that you teach, give activities, give strategies, the most important thing for me that I learned while observing is the relationship between teachers and the students. Thank you very much.